If it was Indian, then you would have your bread and soup together. But we are following a mixture of both so that you are, and since you go to many countries, 36 countries I have been told and given a list of, we are following all that possible combination, trying to do that. Like in European dining, you would never have chopsticks. But we are going to do chopsticks here because you go to Southeast Asian countries. So the menu is actually a mix of all so that you have a combination of everything. And the moment I said chopstick, everybody is like giving me a look like, I'm sure. And actually, once you start eating your noodles with chopsticks, you would never like to eat them with fork. They're much more easier than chopstick. Okay, rule number 2. Whatever doesn't belong to your food doesn't come on your table. So your helmets, purses, keychains, mobiles, everything off your table, please. We have our soup here, and as we remember, till our last diner is served, we are not going to eat. And you always eat soup. Soup is meal. So you always eat soup, you never drink a soup. Hindi में soup पीना बोलते हैं, but English is always eating soup. You always eat a soup, even if it is clear water soup. Even if you have ordered for a clear soup, which is almost drinkable like this, you still eat a soup. Soup is meal, and you can't drink a meal.
Bengali.
If you are a Bengali, everything is khabo. Once your soup comes, I'm lifting this bowl to show you. You don't have to lift your bowl. This is just to show you. This is how your movement of spoon goes. Slightly tuck in here and eat from the side. Absolutely no. Absolutely no. From the side. Soup is always eaten by the side of the spoon. Don't open your entire mouth and show your fellow diner how much cavities you have in your mouth. It's really unpleasant to look at, trust me. So, this and keep that. You will have your spoon thing, and I'll come that side and demonstrate that. And if you're unable to see any demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate it to everyone, so don't worry about that part. This, if it is dripping, then slight touch. This is absolutely no. Dripping, a slight touch from the soup. Oh, this ping is called devil's voice. And you don't make devil's noise when you are eating. That's a bad manner. Cutlery noise as less as possible, please. So this is the thing. Do this. Okay. From the side of the spoon. Serve kariye Ganesh. Fatafat.
What is the approximate time you should be taking to eat?
Ideally, kind of look around for the fellow diners. Usually, soup is hot, and soup is your conversation starter. So about 5-7 minutes, usually you would take. Just in case, if you don't like the soup, please do not is underlined here, do not ask for a replacement. You're not very sure if your host has anything else than that. They probably have a pre-platter menu, and they don't want any kind of inconvenience, or the host has some kind of problem arranging it. Please don't do that. You never ask for a replacement. Let the soup be there, and you don't even make a fuss out of it. I mean, I look at Naresh soup and say, you aren't eating it? He said, no, I'm a little slow. You don't even have to say, I don't eat tomato soup. This is so bad. I never eat it at home also. Please don't offend your host ever with that. You're not sure about that. So place it in front of you. You can place it in front of you. Eating it.
Sorry, others are eating the soup. Because you have been a vegetarian, there is no menu of a
vegetarian soup. Yeah.
Again,
it's a good idea to tell your host in advance to avoid that situation.
See, there's a situation where you cannot able to tell them.
Right. So then you don't do anything.
Okay, you sit idle.
Yeah. And the moment you sit idle and the person asks, you didn't take soup, you don't talk about veg, non-veg preferences or anything. He said, no, I'm good. If you don't want to even get that kind of situation, let your soup remain there. Don't eat. It would be cleared when everybody is getting cleared. So either which way.
This is a vegetarian soup.
That's which you are hosting or you are a guest. If you are hosting, it's perfectly alright to ask for a replacement. You are paying for it. If you are a guest and you are not very sure, you eat a little and let it. क्योंकि अगर गलती से भी जरा सा टकराया तो आपके ऊपर गिरेगा. अभी गिरना ही है तो टेबल पे गिरे. Cleaning आराम.
That is the only reason.
That's the only reason.
But if we can take it like this, there
No,
is
you
no
don't.
problem.
No, you don't. Good. Start eating, please. Enjoy your soup. And okay? And you never blow your soup. It's absolutely no, no. No fukta business in soup.
Where should we keep your
On your lap. On your lap, you can put it like till here. Is absolutely okay. Till elbow. Yeah, this is okay. You don't do this. But like the way Vipul has kept is perfectly alright to do. Side to side. Finish the last this thing and keep it back. So tilting is never ever done towards you. Just in case if it spills, then it is right there on your lap. If worse comes, if it spills, it's on the table. It's not on your lap at least. So you do this, tilting, last spoon, and tilting is only once. Let's say for example, Manoj doesn't want to eat it. So Manoj would keep it this way and let it remain there. Sometimes you may have a plate here, sometimes the soup bowl is just like that. So the spoon remains invariably on the soup bowl. Why would we do that? Why we keep it in the soup bowl? Just in case the person who's clearing loses his balance of clearance. Once again, the spoon is either downstairs or on your lap. The last thing that is Finish clearance, Shalu kara dijiye. Started clearance from other people, which means everyone else is finished. So you can't keep everyone waiting just because you are slow. Then you will have to let it go. Try and keep a maintain a pace with everyone so that each at the same pace.
You have to make the frequency.
Yeah, you have to match the frequency. Puri dunia is all about frequency matching. You are a single, you are supposed to know that.
Very big part of this. It's not like that.
सिंगल्स को ज्यादा पता होती है नीरज बेटा
अभी जब दूसरी frequency आएगी तब
वो कई जगह फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच करके देखते हैं फिर बोलते हैं यहाँ हुई थी वहाँ हुई थी इज द अदर वे अराउंड is applicable to all the married men, not to you. Married तो वैसे ही available है.
Who says he's not married?
Kind of belief. As you have seen in the video also, there is a specific way of eating your bread. So you have no compulsion to eat it full. That's it. But you're not used to eating plain bread, so I understand that is part of it. But for you to practice, it's important. So we'll have to go by exactly the way the course goes. Eating it full or not is purely your choice. I would leave it to you. Coffee, because that is after the meal, and that would have taken another half hour. And we have your dressing session to finish in time and everything. Off the sleep after sleep. But I haven't given it to you today because of to save time up. Because we are aware of how to drink the coffee. Rest everything is a learning. Bread is eaten by the hand. So you break the bread in the bite-sized piece. You take the butter from the butter dish on your dish. Apply butter on the individual piece. Keep the knife back and eat. You will break a piece every time. You can't break the whole bread and make it crumble. And break it with hand. You can take your knife and take butter on your dish. Give me some space, Kaushik. Take a bread piece, break it in the individual size, butter the individual piece, and eat. You would break it piece by piece, never break the whole bread and crumble your plate. Take the butter from there on your dish separately. You can't apply it directly. You can't dip the same knife again. Break it with hand. Apply individual piece butter and eat. Never break the whole bread in one go. Keep it in front of you, Ravi. Take it. And individual piece, bite size, butter, knife back. Never break the whole bread in one go and never crumble your plate. Take the butter separately on your plate, please. Clear with the demo? Good. You can see that. You can hold it if it is slipping out. not supposed to eat bread with knife.